everyone. The Lahore Gate is the main entrance to the Red Fort. This is the answer to my previous video's question. Today I am going to talk about the world's tallest statue, which is the Statue of Unity in India. Fact 1. The Statue of Unity is made to pay homage to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as the Iron Man of India, credited for merging over 560 princely states into what we know as the Union of India. Fact 2. The height of the Statue of Unity is 182 meters, which is the tallest statue in the world. The Statue of Unity is located next to the mighty river Narmada and Sardar Sarovar Dam, with the beautiful Vindhya and Satpura mountain ranges on both sides. Fact 3. The Statue of Unity is designed by the Padma Bhushan winning sculptor Ram V. Sutar, who has designed over 50 monuments. Fact 4. Depicting Sardar Patel wearing a traditional dhoti and shawl, towering over the mighty Narmada river, looking out towards the world as a commanding yet humble, unfazed and unafraid leader. Fact 5. 300 engineers and 3,000 workers worked for almost 3.5 years to complete the Statue of Unity. Its construction ended in 2018. Fact 6. The Statue of Unity is a 3-layered statue. The innermost layer is made up of reinforced cement and concrete, then steel, and then 8 millimeters of bronze. That's really strong. Fact 7. The Statue of Unity will be able to withstand wind velocity up to 60 meters per second vibration and earthquake measuring below 6.5 on the Richter scale. Fact 8. The Statue of Unity will turn from its original bronze color to green in 100 years due to a natural aging process of bronze. Fact 9. Over 129 tons of iron scraps were used in making the base of the statue, and this iron scrap was donated by 100 million farmers of India. Fact 10. 70,000 tons of cement, 25,000 tons of steel and 12,000 bronze panels covering the structure and weighing around 1,700 tons were used to build this grand statue. It's my favorite. Question time. Which company built the Statue of Unity? I'll reveal the answer in my next video. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.